Alright, so you created your first funnel. Now let's start editing your content. So it is very simple. You just use drag and drop. You click on an element, you move it, and the blue line will indicate where it will go. So you can see how it moves and it changes its position the way you want. You can also create margins. It's very simple. You just click on the handle and you can drag and arrange. You can do it between every element. You can do it for the columns on the sides like this, and you create some margins, paddings. You can also do it for the blocks, so you can create some spacing on the side, on the top or on the bottom as well. It's very simple and easy to use, and no coding involved. All you have to do is use your mouse or a touchpad. So yeah, everything in your design is structured into blocks, and to each block you can change the background image, the background cover if you want, add a video background as well. So you can add that for any block, and everything is split into columns as well. That helps you organize your content. Like in this case, we don't want to have the video, to the whole width of the page. We just have it in the middle, so you can arrange the width easily with the handles, and have the content in the middle, and have another column here and here. Same goes here, just a narrower middle column with some negative margin. As you can see here, we have a white background, which for the column, and some negative margins to create this really nice effect. So you can do it for any column on your design. So it's really simple and easy to use. Then you have different sections obviously on your page depending on the design that you've selected, and you can completely modify them. If you click on add block, you can actually add a new section. From the ones that we've currently created, there's tons of really amazing designs for pretty much anything that you can think of. So let's say that you want to add some kind of a video type of section. So you just like one of them, click on it, and just like that, it is added to your design. And you can again modify it, add new things to it, margins, change the texts. Very simple and easy. So this way you can completely modify the design of your pages with just a few clicks. Of course, if you want to add something else to the let's say to this block, and you want to add a call to action here, you can just go to add widget and drag and drop the element that you want, in this case a button. And now you can change the text for it, you can modify the design. You want to make it like this, you want to make it this kind of color without border, and yeah, more padding for example. And like this, you just added a button or any other type of widget that you can see here, and completely design your type of pages and websites or pop-ups, whatever it is that you're building. When you're ready with your design, all you have to do is click on save changes, and then you can preview the actual page. And you can see how it scales amazingly on mobile as well, so you don't have to worry about how it looks. But of course you can do some modifications on mobile as well. So let's say that you don't want to see this section, or this section you want to have something else. So you can just copy it, for example, hide it on mobile, and add your own unique mobile section where you can have bigger button, bigger text. You can have different texts. You can have a different video, and overall completely different design for mobile view to test out different things. And yeah, this is how simple it is to modify your pages with drag and drop, and the pre-made amazing designs, and yeah, simple drag and drop, no coding needed. So if you go to the funnels, you can actually see, switch between the different pages that you've created, do A/B testing, and test out different things. You can do an A/B test right now and completely modify the B tests. You want to change the text, you can just change the video to something else, remove this text if it's unnecessary for your for your needs. You can remove this top section as well, so you can try different things to see what works best and what converts the most. This is the power of the funnels overall, and track the conversion. You of course can add any type of step as well. If it's a page type of step, you can add any from the already made design, so you don't even have to build your own. Or if it is a pop-up, the same way. We have different amazing designs for pretty much anything. So let's say that you want to add something like this as a call to action. With one click, you've added a new pop-up, and if you click on it, you can actually start editing this amazing pop-up that we just added. You can modify the countdown, you can change the text to something else, and you can have different types of settings as well, where it will show and stuff like that. It's so simple and easy. No plugins, no necessary coding and stuff like that. Everything is just super easy to use. And when you're ready, click on save, and you have all these steps into your design, and you can obviously modify them to show whenever. And we just added a new pop-up as a step 2. So now if you preview your site, if you click on the button, that will show the next step. So you don't even have to change your buttons. They always know which is the next step, and they will go to that step, unless you explicitly say to go to a different step of your choosing. By default, it always goes to the next one, whatever it is in your funnel. So just like that, you can completely modify everything about your pages and pop-ups, add your own blocks, modify them in matter of minutes, and start your own funnel right away. You can obviously connect the domain, share it with people, set up ghosts just for better tracking, track sales, and whatever it is that you want to do. And in the next videos you see even more amazing things that you can do with the builder and with the amazing funnel functionalities too. If you have any questions, just let us know.